What's up, dudes? I'm Cheyenne, and if you like this look, make sure to like the video. So this is my eyeshadow primer, the Urban Decay. I'm holding it in my hand. Anti-aging. Ooh, fancy. Long-lasting eyeshadow base. Put that on your eyes, obviously. And then next is the Honey Do Me Up NYX NYX Professional Makeup Face Primer. Yes, and it's apparently very flammable, I think. Oh, no, that's not what that is. But yeah, and just apply that. I really like this one because it makes my skin feel really, like, fresh and clean and just really hydrated as well. So I really like to use this one. And yeah, obviously just apply it all over your face. I mean, unless you didn't know that, but now you know to just apply it on all over your face. And the next is the Fenty Beauty foundation. And you apply that all over your face, except for, like, your lips, unless you like to do that. I don't. But it's, in the shade 150, because I'm a pale girl. I'm pale. I used to have it one shade below, but I got like a little bit tanner, but now I think I need to go back to the one a little bit more paler than that, because I have not seen the sun here in Germany in quite a long time. Next is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, but I think it's actually it causes a lot of creases, so I would not recommend this. I'm only using this because I bought it and I ain't wasting it. But it's in the shade 20B Light Beige. Yeah. Because, again, I am very pale. And then I used the Tarte Shape Tape for my eyelids in the color Fair Neutral. Yeah. And I love the Shape Tape. It's really good. And it's really good for an eyeshadow base, in my opinion. And then next, I put on the Too Faced Born This Way Translucent Powder. And I put it in all the areas that I applied my concealer. So I'll just put it in the same places. And don't, like, rub it, like, brush it in, just pat it onto your skin, because if you brush it on, then it kind of messes up the makeup. And then next, I used the Lisa Frank bronzer, and as you can see, I kind of put a little bit too much on my face, and I was a little bit concerned. But it is in the color Bitten and Bronzed matte bronzer, that stuff. I don't see anything else that would be a color name. But the blush I used was the Tarte blush called Sensual. Made with Amazonian clay, I guess, whatever. And then the highlighter, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Sun Dipped, and the color Moonstone. I love to apply that one, like, on my cheeks, because it's kind of like a pinky, nudish color, and where the blush is, it kind of looks really cute. And then you just put that on those areas that I'm applying it, and then I'm using this blush with the wonderful Nightmare Before Christmas eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color Gamblin' Boogeyman for that. And just apply that right up top. This shade has a little bit of a glitter to it in the palette, but when you apply it, the glitter's not really there. So don't worry if you have that palette. And then I'm using the Modern Renaissance Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Cypress Umber. So, yeah, I'll put that above the green. I don't know about y'all, but I found that the Anastasia Beverly Hills makeup palettes have a lot of fallout when you're applying it. Let me know if you think the same thing. And then next I use the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow stuff. Liquid eyeshadow glitter in the shade Smoldering Satin. And then I used the mascara, Roller Splash mascara from Benefit. It's made in France, apparently. And then I used the Prep and Prime MAC setting spray. And then I used the color Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star, because I figured that would be a great color to go with this bold, dark eyeshadow colors that I used. I feel like this look, when it's all done, made me look like a rocker, like a hard rocker, and like ride a motorcycle, and I'm really cool and stuff. But yeah, I was actually really, really happy with this look, and yeah, I love this lip color. I feel really good in it. Pretty awesome. But so yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you like it. Bye!